how to set up a reoccurring class with limited spots using Studio Connect. So in here, just going back, you go calendars, calendar settings. You're going to want to make sure you have a group, which is group classes. Now, this should be already set up to a degree within your account when you get it. And we're just going to go in here and I'm just going to show you the Vinyasa one. So at the time of recording, the collective booking where you have a bunch of people into one, the developers are still working on it. So we have to have a bit of a go around until this is launched, which I hear this is March of 2023, should be within the next couple months, I've heard. So what we've done as a go around is you're going to create a class, one class per instructor. I just realized that the recurring appointments are in here now. One class per instructor for every week until the collective bookings are available. So you come in here and you create your class, and for instructor 1, you can add the meeting location, description, Vinyasa, self-explanatory. In the availability, you're going to say how long the class is for. You can ignore the slot interval. This is how many appointments per slot per user. So that's where you're going to put in how many people can book that class. And if you hover over it, it'll tell you. You're going to want to set your minimum scheduling duration. So like, you know, how many hours in advance can people, so you might want to shut it down at 1 hour ahead of time. And then how many days in advance? This is up to you. I'm just going to say 31 days in advance so they can't book in, you know, too far in advance, but they might want to. And then you're going to say, when are you offering that class with that instructor? And here, this is just the examples. You can set up reoccurring appointments. This is more for one-on-one, so I'm avoiding it. Make sure you have your custom form in here and book a class. You can use these acknowledgement messages, but there is in the system already a notification process set in, so I would ignore this for now. And then it goes a custom thank you. So then what it looks like, right? This is Vinyasa. And so we're just going to do Thursday. That's an 8 a.m. class. Book the class. In here, you would need to say who the instructor is, who, you know, fill in their information, and then they would book the class. And then you can see who booked over in here. It's not going to show it because I didn't book, so actually let me book. And then it shows this, it's being submitted. If you can call our office if you have any questions, this is my default number. And then they can add to their calendar. And then if I go in here and I refresh my screen, I actually want to go into the group classes, and there's Maggie booked in for that one. It will get really, like, you're going to see one of these for every single one, but you'll see it in there. And then you'll see in here that it's not confirmed, and that's because they're going to get a reminder to actually confirm their booking. Actually, I'm going to change that so it's automatically the status is confirmed. So that is how you set up and control how many people can be in your class.